Hi everyone. I'm excited to do some foundations with you today. Make sure you're in a place where you can focus and think and get ready to really work on listening to sounds and reading and blending sounds together to make words. Let's start with our warm up. Repeat after me. A apple A. B B. D D. E ed E. I itch I. J J. O octopus ah. Q U qua. U up V V. Z Z. W H W. S H sh. T H. A L L ball all. Great. I want to talk about some words now. How many words do you see? 6, that's right. Can you find me a word with a bonus letter? They all have bonus letters? Wow, that's right. So let's talk about them. What are the bonus letters? F, L, and S are all bonus letters. What do we do to mark a bonus letter? Yeah, we put a star over the extra bonus letter. It doesn't make another sound. It's just there because it looks right. What else? Can you find me a word with a digraph? What's the digraph? Shh, that's right. There it is. Shh, what's the word? Shell, shell. Can you find me any words with glued sounds? The green? ALL is our glued sound. Let me box that in. We put a box around our glued sounds. Wow, good job, everybody. Let's try to read these words together. Sh, shell, uff, cuff, us, fuss, is, miss, all, haul, all, fall. Let's do it again smoother. Shell, cuff, fuss, miss, haul, fall. Now do it by yourself. Read them to me. Fantastic. Which one of these words is a season? Fall is a season. Very good. Which one of these words is the end part of your shirt? The cuff. That's right. Great job, everyone. Now, I have a brand new, just one, trick word for you. Come on, let's go over to our trick word area. Okay, so you notice I have my sentence frame. A sentence starts with a capital and ends with a stop sign. And we will put up some of these frames under the frame for each words. Repeat after me. Mom said yes. Okay, Mom said yes. So here's what we're going to do. Since someone's talking, we have to do something special. So let me write it out for you here. Mom, I'm going to start with my uppercase, said, and what did Mom say? She said yes. So whenever someone is talking, we put what they're saying inside quotation marks. So since Mom's the one saying yes, we need to have a tall frame, a capital Y. And she's excited. She's saying yes, excited. So we're going to use an exclamation point after what she says. And we need to put a comma here to tell us to pause before we hear what mom says. And the first letter inside of that quotation mark for what somebody is saying is always a capital letter. So it's not our only capital is not at the beginning. Okay? So when we see this comma, we're going to have to pause. There's always a comma before the quotation marks. And when we see this, we have to say it excitedly. Okay? Read it excitedly with me. Mom said, yes! This is the part that gets the excitement. I'm going to circle this word right here. What word did I circle? Mom said, yes. Yeah, I circled the word said. Very good. Watch me write it. The S says its normal sound. Eh, eh. It sounds like a short E next, but it's A-I. Said. It sounds like a D, and it is a D. So the tricky part is the AI. This is a word that we're going to see all the time and use a lot in our writing too, so it's really important we can spell it. Let's go ahead and skywrite that word said. Here we go. 2 fingers, get up. Here we go. S-A-I-D. Said. Now take that little finger and write it and spell it. S-A-I-D. Said. Do it again with your eyes closed. S-A-I-D. Said. Very good. What does this word say? Said. We need to enter said into our student notebooks. So go ahead and grab your student notebook, grab a pencil, and remember, it does not matter which notebook you have, you still need to find the part that says trick words. Okay, and now find the letter S for said. Go ahead and enter it on the next open line. Said. S-A-I-D. Said. The AI is very tricky. Okay, pause here until you have that finished. All right, fantastic. If you're done with that, we are going to get out our whiteboards and our markers and do some dictation. Okay, let's number it. 1, 2, 3. We'll do 3 sounds, 3 words, some trick words, and a sentence. Repeat after me. Ch. Write the letters that say ch. You can look in your student notebook to help you if you need. And check with me when you're done. CH says ch. Okay, number 2, repeat after me. All. What says all? And when you're ready, you can look up to check. ALL says all. One more. What says U says We have ch, all, Pause until you have those finished. And then we can erase just the sounds. We can leave our numbers for our words. Okay, let's practice some words. Here we go. Repeat after me. Mass. Tap it. Ass. Spell it. M. Write it. Put a star on your bonus letter and tap out what you wrote. Check it. Make sure you're right. Ass. Mass. Bonus letter. Should look just like mine. Fix it up until it looks like mine. Okay, number 2. Off. Let's tap it. Off. Spell it and write it. Star your bonus letter. Check it to mine. Fix it up. And let's do one more word. Thick. Tap it. Ick. Spell it and write it. You have 2 digraphs to mark. Underline both digraphs. Check it to mine. Let's read our words. Mass, off, thick. Read them again to me by yourself. Okay, great job. Erase, leave the numbers. We'll do 3 trick words. Let's stick with the number 3. Okay, trick word number 1. Was. Look in your notebook. Pause if you need more time. Number 2. They. That noisy TH. Th. And number 3. Said. Pause until you're done. Check with me. Fix up any mistakes and let's read them. Was, they, said. Great job. Once you're all set, you can erase the whole thing and get ready to end with a sentence. Repeat after me. The duck will quack at Bill. Let's count our words. The duck will quack at Bill. 6 words. I'm going to do lines to help us. The duck will quack at Bill. We have to start with a capital, end with a period. So the is a trick word. Duck you can tap out. Will you can tap out. The duck will quack you can tap out. At you can tap out. And Bill you can tap out. Don't forget Bill's a name, so it should be in uppercase. Pause here to do your sentence. You finished? Okay, let's check it together. Did you start with an uppercase and end with a period? Do it. Now check your trick word, the. Okay, tap out your next word. Tap out what you wrote for duck. Make sure your D is going the right way. D, k. Just like that. Did you remember to end with CK? Fix it if you need to. The duck will. Tap out what you did for will. Make sure you have a bonus letter. The duck will quack. Tap out quack. Qu should be a buddy letter. A. The duck will quack at Bill. It's a person's name, so it's an uppercase B, a capital B, B-ill, with a bonus letter. Pause and fix up anything that needs fixing. Don't be frustrated or embarrassed if you needed to fix things. That's how we learn. Let's scoop it and read it. The duck will quack at Bill. The duck will quack at Bill. Read it again. Fantastic. Okay, my friends, it's important that you erase your board before you put it away for the day. If you don't erase it, the marker gets stuck to it and it's harder to get off. Once you've erased, you can put it away and have a great day doing the rest of your learning adventure.